Hello guys, welcome to Microsoft ASP.NET MVC tutorial on how to delete on ASP.NET MVC database table and a row to delete. Let's start. For this, we'll need a view of delete. At first, I would like to show you how it looks when we delete. Let's check our default index page with a list. Here I have Ram Sharma and Binod Sharma listed, and I will delete clicking on delete option, delete, and when I click on this button, this Binod Sharma must be deleted from the list. Okay, let's see our controller code. For the short duration of video, I have kept all code and I will describe them all, don't worry about that. At first, when a user hits any URL with deleting row ID, like if I hit this delete, here will be home delete 4, and this home is controller, delete is action result, and 4 is SID, that is student ID. Okay, for that, to receive that request, we will use this action result, and in that action result we'll get that 4 or any ID. In here we don't have 4, here we have yes, we have 4. Now student context.db will connect it to database. It is for database connection. Okay, similarly in second line, student, that is object of student is student with small s, and similarly it retrieves the single row of student from students table with single or default, where SID equals to ID. That if we pass 4, then that table must have a row with SID equals to 4, and that information will be kept in student, and that will be passed to our view. I have already created a view which is as follows. See here, delete, but I would like to show you how I have created it. Let's delete it first. Delete. Okay, now we don't have delete view. Now we will add it from the beginning, and in this HTTP get action result with name delete, right click on it, add view, we'll see a form where we need to type our view name. Let's keep view name as delete, template is delete, and model we already have a student model, student. Okay, this much will make a delete view automatically by scaffolding. Now that view is created. Okay, this view will be displayed when we click on that delete button. When we click on that delete button, this information will be shown. Let's check that again. Not directly delete. First, let's see from home. Listing must be there. Still loading. Next function we have, or next action result will be same name is delete part with http post. Let first look at it. It has loaded. Now click on delete. It will show you the information you have clicked to delete. That is Binod Sharma, Madikram, and that phone number. Okay. Now we have to make another action result which will actually delete the information by clicking on that button. Which button? This delete button. Okay. By clicking on that delete button, will be here. At first, to pass the information from that button, let's make a input of type hidden. Input type equals to hidden value equals to SID no. We have passed information from model. Yes, that is models.student, so there must be the field of student @model.sid. We pass SID and delete according to that. Now how that function or action result will know that SID is passed? That is from name equals to SID. Okay, this much will be enough to send the data to delete. Okay, let's go back in home controller. Okay, similarly as above, here we have passed int id in previous delete action result, and here we have passed string SID in another delete action result. If we put different action result name, then you can put int SID also here, but to make some difference in the function or action result, I have put string and later I have converted it into int again. Okay, student context is connecting to database, and in second line that SID, which is string, is parsed or converted into student ID, which is int. int32.parse will parse the 32-bit information into integer. Okay, that is, you simply understand it that SID, which is string, is converted into integer named student ID. Okay, in next student, that is student is class, and this student is object of student class, which has small s, and it is deriving data from student table, which has SID equals to student ID, which is passed here. Okay, it is deriving information, and that from that retrieve information, db.students.remove. This remove function will remove the student with provided information, that is remove student info row. Now we need to commit the change, that is commits the delete with db.savechanges. Next is viewback.message equals to student with name plus student.sname plus deleted successfully. This will display that student with name Binod Sharma deleted successfully if you hit that delete button. Here in message you can type anything, viewback.info, viewback.anything, viewback.something. You can write anything which will be assigned in runtime. Okay, let's return that information again in that view. Okay, let's check it out. Before that, we will like to show that student information is deleted by putting some information here. I'll retype that from my previous edit page. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, now this much will be enough. Let's check it out. loading. Let's remove this Binod Sharma. Okay, by clicking on delete, again clicking on delete, it will show a student with name Binod Sharma deleted successfully. That means Binod Sharma must be deleted. Back to list, we have only one row, that is Binod Sharma is deleted, only Ram Sharma is here. Okay guys, this much for deleting tutorial on ASP.NET MVC. If you like this video, you can subscribe or be more closer with me. For other videos, you can ask me what kind of videos you like to see. If you have any doubt or problems, you can ask me in comments. Okay guys, thank you for watching.